Okay, we will be talking about archiving the diagnostic file and the program file for Kuka robots. The diagnostic file, which is right here, you need it whenever you have an alarm or you're troubleshooting an issue and you contact, for example, Kuka customer support. The first thing they will ask you about is the diagnostic file, so they can go in the history of the Kuka and see what had happened before the alarm that caused the alarm to show up. So this is a diagnostic file. So in both ways, the program or diagnostic file is going to be archived in the same way. First, you connect your USB either to the pendant itself. In the back of the pendant, there's a USB board, or to the cabinet. Mine right now is connected to the cabinet, to the main cabinet. And then you go to the menu, which is you press in the Kuka icon. It takes you to the menu. If you are not at home, you press home, file, archive, and now I have my USB in the cabinet, so I press cabinet. But if I had it connected to the KCP, which is the pendant, I press the KCP. So pendant, cabinet. So also here, as you guys noticed, I'm an external. I don't have to be T1, and I have a program selected. So you don't have to cancel the program. You don't have to be in T1, and you don't have to be logged in as a special login. Operator user will be enough to archive. And you can also archive it while the program running, while the robot is moving. That's fine. So after the cabinet, you go to here. If you want only the diagnostic file, you press diagnostic. If you want a specific routine or file, you press application, and you select the file that you want to copy. For me, I just archive everything by selecting all. Do you want to archive it? Yes. And here it's going to tell me it's saving the project, and it's going to backing up the file. In a little bit, I will get a message in the top. It tells me if it's finished and if it's successful or not. While it's doing that, I want to explain one thing, which is the restore. Here, restore, I have it gray out, and the reason is you cannot restore unless you are in T1. So I'm going to have to go T1. And I will be able to restore. Restore is the same way, restore, and then you select where is your USB and what do you want to restore. Here I got, for example, successful for my application. So now I can take my USB out, and I will see a zip file with the project name. The project name always is going to be, the name is right here. This is the name of your project. So when you go to USB and you copy, you archive many robots in one time, each robot, you can compare it with the name in the pendant right here, and that will be the right program. So just to show you how the store is going to be available when I go to T1 and cancel the program. Now I have restore, not gray out, so I can restore the same way like I told you. And that's it.